Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable and set up picture-in-picture or picture-by-picture mode on your Samsung ViewFinity S8. So first of all, we're gonna have to reach for the joystick on the back side of the monitor. You can easily reach for it from the bottom of your monitor. Press it once to open the main view of the OSD, basically main navigation menu of the OSD. Here, move your joystick to the right to select PIP/PBP option and press joystick once again. Now to enable this feature, you're gonna have to press the first option here and set it to on. By default, this will enable the picture-in-picture mode. Now we can adjust this mode by going back to PIP/PBP. Then first of all, we can adjust the mode type. Okay, so it actually didn't enable picture-in-picture but picture-by-picture, except for as you can see, the display actually has a lot of space at the bottom and at the top, which should be like this. So we can adjust the mode type. We can select either this mode type, or we can go to picture-by-picture if you want to actually fix this issue so that your display is covering the entire half. You would have to go to Windows settings, and here you're gonna have to open Windows and settings. Then on the sidebar we're gonna have to select system, then go to display, and okay, first of all we have to extend this displays, and it will solve the issue, as you can see. So now we have one display covering one half of the screen. If you want to cover the second half of the screen, you have to connect a different device. So it can be your Samsung smartphone with their new DeX technology, or it can also be of course your other laptop, no matter what system it uses. It can be a MacBook, it can be a Chromebook, it can be your PC, or whatever. It can be your PlayStation even. And to select the source for each of these parts of the screen, you're gonna have to open the on-screen display menu, go to source on the left side, and here you'll be able to select either left part of the screen or right part of the screen, and then adjust the respective port for this part of the screen. So select for example display port to be used as a source for the right half of the screen, but unfortunately I only have one display connected to my monitor right now, so so we are not going to switch any source. Now let's go back to picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture menu settings. Now as you can see, we have two options, screen size and screen position, which are grayed out. It is because they only are active in picture-in-picture mode. To enable it, we have to select mode type and change it to picture-in-picture. Okay, now we have it active. Here we would see our picture-in-picture, but instead we see this tiny rectangle because we have no source connected. And now we can change the screen size, so we can change the size of this rectangle. As you can see, we have three size options, and we also have the screen position, so we can also move it around our display. Then we also can select source. We already seen it. Now we can select the sound source, so which source, let's say one of the two laptops is emitting sound, or its main device to emit sound. And then we also have the switch USB option, screen ratio, and on the second screen we also have the contrast, where we can adjust the contrast for each display separately. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.